traders, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel I share my trading journey. I journal my trades on a daily basis here on this channel, and I try as much as possible to share my directional bias on a daily basis on this channel. I basically trade gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY, and every day before I take trades I try as much as possible, right, to share what I'm looking at in the market with you guys. So join me today as we go through today's forecasting, or what we are looking at in the market for today. Today is 17th, which is Wednesday, July 17th July, right? So that's it. Before we start, let's start with our fundamentals. We can see that we have GBPUSD CPI is basically is coming up 41 minutes time, which is 7 a.m. GMT +1, and we have Euro CPI today as well. We have USD high impact news today as well. So before we start analyzing and all of that, I want to share with you guys my trades, the trade I took yesterday. So for this week I've taken 3 trades and 3 losses in a row. I told you guys already that I took GBPJPY Euro JPY trade, and this is gold trade, and gold I took a win on that gold trade. And GBPUSD trade I took, it's actually closed. Look at it here. This is it right here, but then look at my stop loss. However, this trade has closed on loss, but it actually didn't hit my stop loss. That's the truth, guys. I think spread took me out, because if you look at the market right here, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. This is where my stop loss is right. This is where my stop loss was, this very level here. So price didn't get to it, just few pips away from it, and then I got stopped at. It is what it is, guys. So that is the trade I took yesterday, the only trade I took yesterday. You know, the gold trade that was a win, that one I took it since day before yesterday, but it closed yesterday, guys. So let's quickly get into today's analysis, and let's see what we have. Right, so let's come to DXY first. The truth is, I wasn't expecting DXY to come down to this very level. You know, guys, I told you guys that I was expecting DXY to come to this very level, right, and buy up from this level. So if you check our analysis, although I didn't draw something like that here, I don't journal DXY, right? I don't do that. So, and it actually bought from here, but it was actually a news that influenced this. However, it caused another break of structure on DXY. So I wasn't expecting DXY to come even up to this very point, and that's why I took that trade, right? So I was thinking, oh, DXY will just come to this other block and start buying up from there, and then GBPUSD will do likewise, which is it will start selling from there. But then I don't know what's wrong with the dollar. The dollar is so weak, and honestly speaking, I don't know what's wrong. So what I'm still looking at here, structurally, what this guy is still showing is actually still buy. But when I will stop looking for buy here, when I will stop looking for buys is when paraventure this low is taken out, right? That's when I will stop looking for buys. So I'm still looking for buys on DXY. So what I will wait for this morning is for this high to be taken out, and then if this high is taken out, then our buy setup is confirmed, and then we can go in for buy, right? So once this high is taken out, our buy setup is confirmed, guys. So as for GBPUSD news, actually I have a sell bias for GBPUSD since I have a buy bias on GBPUSD. So for the news, I don't know if news is going to push, but it can manipulate price, can take out Asia high, and then it will drop, right? The market structure looks more like a sell structure currently. So that's actually what I'm saying right here. So what we'll do is that if this low is taken out, I'll wait for this low to be taken out here, and then I'll take a sell, right? So but because of the news, I might not get entry, right? I might not get the entry, but we'll wait and see. So this is what I'm looking at this morning. I'm looking at selling GBPUSD from here to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at. As for buying GBPUSD, right, the truth is I don't know if I'm going to buy GBPUSD right now. But then if it gives me a buy structure, which is if basically I see I won't, even though it gives a buy setup, I won't take it, right? I will wait it tomorrow to join the buy, right? So if it gives me a buy setup which is taking out this high, I might start looking for buys from tomorrow, guys. But right now I'm still looking for sell, so I'm waiting for this low to be taken out and then I will take a sell trade, because I sold here, actually sold around this level, and then price came here, it didn't get to my stop loss, stopped me out, and I'm still looking for sales, guys. That's the truth. So I'm looking for sales to this, to downwards, to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. So this is the 4-hour order block here. It's not so obvious, but on DXY is very obvious. Let's check DXY, guys. Okay, we've checked DXY already. So DXY is simply at this imbalance that has been tested already, but GBPUSD is weak as well as dollar, so things are just somehow right now. So I'm expecting that their news, which is GBPUSD CPI, to be a sell, right? That's actually what I'm anticipating. However, it does what it wants to do. I'm still looking at a sell from here. So you just basically just check it out yourself, and let's check GBPJPY. The truth is I've been waiting for a buy here on GBPJPY since yesterday. So let's go to the daily time frame. We already know our price is coming up from this fair value gap. That's what supported price here, and price has been here for some days now. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Price traded into this imbalance that I outlined on our last episode, and then they tried to buy, but then price has just been consolidating within this, consolidating at that fair value gap that I outlined. So this morning, coming up to this morning, I saw that price had taken out, like broken, traded into this zone with this bearish engulfing candle. So this actually means something, right? So it could mean that this guy is tired of he doesn't even have direction, right? That's just the truth. But the thing is, I'm still waiting for this guy to give me my buy setup. However, if this low is taken out, then I'll start watching out for sell, right? That's what I will do. So if this low is taken out, I'll start looking out for sell. So I still have every reason to do for buys here, seeing that we are framing our setup from the daily time frame. So I'm still looking for buys, but if this doesn't hold, I will start looking for sell. Alright, so let's check gold chart. So for gold this morning, yesterday, you can see gold really bought. Let's go to the daily time frame. We can see that external range liquidity has been swept, and actually I'm anticipating a deep retracement. So that I'm looking at a retracement. That's it, guys. I'm looking at the retracement to fill up the imbalance, right? So which is like this obvious imbalance here, but this is actually at a premium, so I'm not looking at that. However, because gold is very strong, and even DXY is so weak, right? So if price comes into this imbalance right here and gives me a continuation confirmation, I will take a buy from here, right? So that means that Asia low will be swept, and then price will sweep Asia low, trade into this imbalance, and then I'll start looking for buy here if it gives me a buy confirmation. But then if it doesn't do that, it decides to retrace to it will deep discount, that will be better, right? So that's actually what I'm looking at this morning. I'm looking at buying gold at this very zone here. That's what I'm looking at, and I told you guys that my GBPUSD, I'm looking at selling GBPUSD. And that's just it for now, guys. So that's just it for now, guys. So that's what I'm looking at for today. Make sure you follow me up, subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already, and share this video with others, and don't forget to like this video, guys. I love you guys.